It's still snowing. It's crazy. We've got some branches down. Yeah, hi Edna. We got some branches broken off of our tree. I don't want to get too close to our tree. And some broke off onto our roof.
Look at that branch, how it's leaning over.
Yeah, that's not good. I think we're going to lose some of our trees. At least a lot of their branches, right?
See, and look at the bushes.
Yeah, the bushes are smushed down.
They look really cool.
Ezra, you need to shut the shed. Yeah.
Bushes.
Hi, Edna girl. Don't shut her tail on the door, Henry. Okay. That's crazy. And it's still snowing. Man, it's cold. But yeah, our trees, that is our van underneath that tree right there. The branches are so heavy with the snow. Yeah, I hear tree branches falling and breaking everywhere. This is sad. But
It's Narnia, Mommy, with the light.
yeah, there's our Narnia lamppost. Yeah, it is. Look over here. And do you hear the trees over there? But look at this one over here. It's totally almost covering the van. You can barely see the van. It's crazy. Yeah, it's freezing. It's so cold. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. May 20th. And this is what we get. But yeah, that's the kids and my favorite thing. We've got our Narnia light. It's so fun when it snows.